Hello friends, my name is Aman Kumar from a government medical college. Today I am going to teach you amino acid. When wa- when I was uh, when I was taught amino acid, I don't understand well what is amino acid, what is its property. Today I will simplify it for you. What is amino acid? Let us study in short and concise form. This What I will teach you is a very must point of amino acid. Okay, friends. So first I will start from introduction of amino acid. I will write in short for less time. First point of amino acid is most amino acid are alpha amino acid. Okay. So alpha amino acid is ये most amino acid are alpha amino acid. We will focus our study on the alpha amino acid. Second point, there is a common structure, simplified structure of amino acid. You must know NH2, C, COH, R, and H. What is R group? This is the side chain of amino acid, and the property of amino acid will be depend on this R. This R will define the property of amino acid, and we will discuss this later in my lecture. And this 3 group is fixed, and this H atom is fixed in the any amino acid structure, in alpha amino acid structure. Why it is called alpha amino acid? Because this is the functional group. COOH is functional group, and this is the alpha carbon. And we observe here that alpha carbon has a amino group, so we called it a alpha amino acid. And why it is called acid? Because it has a COH group, so it is a acid. Okay, this is the basic structure of amino acid. You will find it in any structure of amino acid. Okay. What about third point? There are some amino acid which are not alpha amino acid. What we will see its example. Example of non-alpha amino acid. This is a very important example, so you should remember it. uh, just see the example. Beta alanine. Beta alanine is the first example. Okay. Beta amino isobutyrate. Beta amino isobutyrate. ठीक है. और एक और एग्जांपल है, वन मोर एग्जांपल इज गामा आइसोब्यूटायरेट. ठीक है. ये 3 एग्जांपल आपको तो याद होना ही चाहिए, मस्ट है. दिस 3 एग्जांपल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉन अल्फा एमिनो एसिड. ठीक है. आप उतारिए इसको, just write it down on your copy. Don't only listen to my lecture, because this is a very short video of amino acid. Pause your video and write it down your copy. The next topic is how we classify amino acid. Classification is very important for amino acid. not for only for amino acid. Classification is very important in biology, is considered very important in the biology section, because it make easy study easier to anything. So we will study classification of amino acid. We can classify amino acid on the four bases. First, we will classify amino acid on the basis of structure. On the basis of structure or side chain. Second, on the basis of side chain characteristics. Third, on the basis of metabolic weight. Fourth, on the basis of nutritional requirement. We will study all this classification one by one, and first we will start with on the basis of side chain. On the basis of side chain. First, see amino. This is amino acid 1, NH2H R COOH plus NH2CH COH, and this is R. So how we make peptide bond? How we will make peptide bond here? Peptide bond here. This is NH. This H and this H2O OH will combine and release out as a H2O, and we will the peptide bond will form here from CONH. This bond will form here, and this is the peptide bond. Very important category of bond, and this bond will not react in any reaction. This is a very stable bond. Just see, this is in resonance from C double bond O. This bond will not react from anything, and this gives only one reaction. This gives only one reaction and forms hydrogen bond only. Peptide bond only forms hydrogen bond, and no other reaction can take place from this peptide bond. ठीक, तो ये एक इंट्रो था थोड़ा सा. यहाँ आते हैं. On the basis of side chain, first we will see aliphatic amino acid. What is aliphatic amino acid? Aliphatic amino acid can be classified into two types: simple amino acid and second is branched amino acid. Simple amino acid and branched amino acid. What are the example of simple amino acid and what are the example of branched amino acid? Simple amino acid example is glycine and alanine, and branched amino acid example है leucine, isoleucine and valine. You can remember it from a trick, LIV, live. ठीक है, तो ये This is the first basis, on the basis of साइड चेन का एक एग्जांपल है एलिफेटिक अमीनो एसिड। एंड दूसरा देखते हैं OH containing amino acid। OH containing amino acid का एग्जांपल में serine, threonine and tyrosine। Why this is representing tyrosine? This is the threonine, THR, S for serine, ठीक है। थर्ड इज sulfur containing amino acid। Sulfur containing, there are two example of sulfur containing amino acid। First is cysteine and second is methionine, ठीक है। Fourth is amide containing amino acid। There is two example of amide containing amino acid is asparagine and second is glutamine। Asparagine is represented by N and glutamine is represented by Q। So how you will remember glutamine is represented by Q? You can remember glutamine as a cutamine। That's how you will remember it as a glutamine and cutamine। And this is asparagine, amide containing। Fifth is acidic amino acid। This is a very simple example of it, glutamic acid or aspartic acid, okay। And the glutamic acid is represented by E and aspartic acid is represented by D, okay। And we will write another basis of classification। Seventh is aromatic amino acid। This is very important example, you should remember it। What is aromatic amino acid? The example of aromatic amino acid is phenylalanine, represented by PHE, and the one word for it is F। दूसरा, second is tyrosine, TYR, tyrosine and represented by Y। Third example is tryptophan, represented by W। So why it is called aromatic amino acid? You will see in its structure there is a there will be benzene or phenol, this type of a structure। Say phenylalanine, benzene is present in phenylalanine, benzene is present in tyrosine, phenol is present, and in tryptophan indole ring is present। That's why this becomes the example of aromatic amino acid। And what is indole ring? I will make a structure of a skeletal structure of indole ring, and this is this type of structure. This is indole ring structure. And the seventh number is amino acid. Amino group is present. So what is this example is proline. And in the structure of proline, you will see this type of structure. I will only make shortcut structure. NH or COH alpha. This is alpha carbon, and this is COOH. So alpha carbon is a part of the ring. In this structure, alpha carbon